Let her play with him again. Aww. Come on, Rocky.
Very quiet night for some of these other receivers this evening. Victor Cruz just
Betsy. She'll just keep rolling and rolling.
Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy, Bets?
Has to start distributing this football to some of these other guys.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What's that doggy tail?
DJ Ware is able to catch the deflection
Okay.
the 25-yard line.
Where are you going, Ben?
Marcus Ware, who got his hands on the football. A lot of times.
Did the dog pee on that blanket out there? Why is that one out there too?
Oh, that was just in my laundry.
Oh. Oh, now that I can use the sewing machine, I can fix it. The blanket that we've never gotten to use because as soon as we got it, it was ripped.
This thing's in my face, Mom.
Oh, oh wait. Hi, Betsy.
Come here, Rocky. Come here. Come here, Rocky.
Hi. Oh, she sees the camera.
Cisco. Oh, there he is. Cisco. Come here, Rocky. Come here.
Oh, she's tired. Nicole, come on, don't do that. Because he's going to be a big fur ball.
Hi.
I think the cute dog petting thing is over.